Hi students, 5th chapter coordinate geometry, exercise 5.1, 4th sum. In each of the following, find the value of A for which the given points are collinear. Already we know the given points are collinear, then area of the triangle equal to 0. The points are 2, 3, I will take x1, y1, 4, a, x2, y2, 6, minus 3, x3, y3. Area of the triangle formula 1 by 2, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, again x1, y1 equal to 0. 1 by 2, x1, y1, 2, 3, x2, y2, 4, a, x3, y3, 6, minus 3, x1, y1, 2, 3. First multiply this side. 1 by 2, 2 into a, 2a, 4 into minus 3, minus 12, 6 into 3, 18, minus, again multiply this side, 3 4s are 12, 6 into a, 6a, minus 3 into 2, minus 6 equal to 0. 1 by 2, 2a, subtract the numbers, minus 12 plus 18 plus 6 minus 6a, subtract the number 12 minus 6 plus 6. Now the 2 divide, go to that side, multiply, that value equal to 0. The 2 multiplied go to that side, 0 into 2, 0. Cancel. 2a plus 6 multiplied by the minus sign, minus 6a minus 6 equal to 0. Plus 6 minus 6 cancel. 2a 2a minus 6a minus 4a equal to 0. A equal to 0. A equal to 0 by minus 4. 0 by any number 0. Therefore, a equal to 0. Second sum, a, 2 minus 2a, minus a plus 1, 2a, minus 4 minus a, 6 minus 2a. Similarly, same method, area of the triangle equal to 0. Write the formula 1 by 2, x1, y1, a, 2 minus 2a, x2, y2, minus a plus 1, 2a, x3, y3, minus 4 minus a, 6 minus 2a, x1, y1, a, 2 minus 2a. First multiply this, a into 2a, 2a square, and multiply this 2, minus a plus 1, 6 minus 2a. Multiply this, minus 4 minus a, 2 minus 2a, close the bracket, minus, again multiply this, 2 minus 2a minus a plus 1, plus 2a minus 4 minus a, plus a, 6 minus 2a equal to 0. Now simplify. Already I told, divide 2, go to that side, multiply, 0 into 2, 0. 2a square multiplied by this number, minus a into 6 minus 6a, minus a into minus 2a plus 2a square, and multiplied by 1. 1 into 6, 6, 1 into minus 2a minus 2a. Similarly, minus 4 into 2 minus 8, minus 4 into minus 2a plus 8a, multiplied by minus a, 2 minus a minus 2a, minus a minus 2a minus plus 2a square, minus, again 2 into minus a minus 2a, 2 into plus 1 plus 2, minus 2a minus a plus 2a square, minus 2a plus 1 minus 2a, 2a minus 4 minus 8a, 2a minus 2a square and multiplied by a. 6 into a 6a minus 2a into a minus 2a square. Now minus 6a minus 2a minus 8a minus 8a plus 8a cancel. Here 2a square plus 2a square plus 2a square, totally 6a square. A term minus 2a and number term plus 6 minus 8 minus 2 minus here plus 2a squared minus 2a squared cancel and a square term minus 2a squared. A term minus 2a minus 2a minus 4a minus 4a minus 8a minus 12a minus 12a plus 6a minus 6a. Number plus 2 equal to 0. Now multiplied by the minus. Minus into minus plus 2a squared minus into minus 6a minus into plus 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Now a square term 6a squared plus 2a squared 8a squared. A term minus 2a plus 6a plus 4a minus 2 minus 4 and each and every term divided by 4. Upper 2a squared plus a minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize. Already you know factorize. You have studied in 9th standard. Multiply these two numbers. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. The coefficient of a is 1. We want to find two numbers. Multiply these two numbers. We want to get minus 2. Subtract or add these numbers. We want to get 1. That is 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. Subtract we want to 1. Then minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 2 minus 1 plus 1. Okay. And a square coefficient 2 divided by 2. 2 cancel, value is 1. 2 cancel, the value is 1. Simply write a minus 1 by 2 a plus 1. Listen, a minus 1 by 2 a plus 1 equal to 0. A equal to the minus 1 by 2 go to that side, plus 1 by 2. A equal to plus 1 go to that side, minus 1. But the value of a is a equal to 1 by 2, a equal to minus 1. Next see the fifth sum. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are. Two sums given. Solution. Area of the quadrilateral. We want to draw the graph. First number is minus 9 comma minus 2. Minus 9 is in x-axis. Minus 2 is in y-axis. Mark the point minus 9 comma minus 2. Again minus 8 comma minus 4. Plot the point 2 comma 2. Plot the point 1 comma minus 3. Plot the point and join them. First point is take A and mark the point B, C, D in the anti-clockwise directions. A minus 9 comma minus 2, B minus 8 comma minus 4, C 1 comma minus 3, D 2 comma 2. Area of the quadrilateral equal to 1 by 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 again x1 y1. First point x1 y1 minus 9 minus 2 x2 y2 minus 8 minus 4 x3 y3 1 minus 3 x4 y4 2 2 again x1 y1 minus 9 minus 2. Multiply these two numbers. 9 4s are 36 and multiply this 2. 8 3s are 24. 1 2s are 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus multiply this minus 2 minus 8 plus 16. 1 into minus 4 minus 4 minus 3 into 2 minus 6 2 into minus 9 minus 18. Simplify, we get 58. Simplify, we get 58. Here simplify, we get minus 12. Minus into minus plus 12. 58 plus 12 70. 58 plus 12 70. Cancel, we get 35. 35 square units. Area of the quadrilateral equal to 35 square units. Second part. Similarly, draw the graph, flat the points. First point, take A minus 9 comma 0, B, C, D in the anti-clockwise directions. B, mark B, C, D in the anti-clockwise direction. Area of the quadrilateral 1 by 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 again x1 y1 and write the points. Multiply the number minus 9 minus 3 plus 27 minus 6 minus 2 plus 12 minus 1 6 minus 6 0 into minus 8 0 minus multiply this side 0 into minus 6 0. Any number multiplied by 0 we get 0. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 minus 2 into minus 8 plus 16 6 into minus 9 minus 54. Simplify 33. Here simplify minus 35 minus into minus plus 35. Add these two numbers 68. Now cancel this 34 square units. Area of the quadrilateral equal to 34 square units. Thank you, students.